friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw the lime color from Incredibox Sprunki. So first we're going to get started with our eyes. On the left hand side, let's start by drawing in our circle. And then leaving a small gap moving over on the right hand side, lining that up at the same height. We're just going to replicate that. In the corner of both eyes now, we're just going to curve this line out. On the left hand side for the pupil, we're just going to draw in a nice big circle. And then moving over on the right, we're just going to make that smaller. Now in the center for the mouth, we're just going to draw in a slight diagonal line in the middle. And now let's draw on the top of the head. So as we come over above our right eye, we're going to bring this line straight up towards the top. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this diagonal line out. From here, we're going to bring in a small diagonal line that comes up. And then again from that corner, bringing this down on the side. On the right-hand side now, we're going to bring this diagonal line out. And then from that point, bringing this down towards the bottom. On the left-hand side, bringing this line out again, and then back in as we come down on the side. To the right of this, we're going to bring this line out and then down. Now from the corner, we're just going to bring a small diagonal line that comes out on both sides. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom now with a nice big arch line, bringing this all the way around and then up on the right, connecting that together in the corner. Lastly, for the torso, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on the left. And then we'll do the same thing as we move across and over on the right. And then we're just going to close this off on the bottom with a straight line. And that is it. That's how you draw the lime color from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.